This video, the secret I'm going to share, I have learned from a very good community meet of Gaia. So if you don't know, Gaia is a platform where thousands of people who are expert in meditations and healing and so many these type of things. So there I came to know this thing. What is that? That is the relationship between your emotions, your chakras, and the food you eat. I got mesmerized by knowing this fact. Today I'm going to share you in this video that thing. How many of you feel stuck, feeling fear, anxiety, stress? You are blaming others, you are comparing with other people's lives. Is this resonating with your life? Then this video is for you, because you are going to understand why is that you are feeling this, what you can do, and also what food if you take, how it can help you. So let's start. So like I said, that if you are feeling stress, anxiety, blaming others, complaining about others, feeling that you are stuck, then your root chakra is blocked. So root chakra is the first chakra from below. It's almost near your tailbone, and it's red in color. If root chakra is blocked, so through root chakra we are actually feeling grounded. So anything you know from like I'm an electrical engineer, if you know the basic principle of electricity, that if something is grounded, then there is no chance of getting high, like surcharge or anything suddenly, it will not get high, because it is connecting with the ground, and ground has immense potential. So we will be feeling balanced. So if you are not feeling balanced, if you are feeling a lot of negative emotions of survival, so stress, anxiety, fear, complaining, blaming, these are survival emotions. Like you are not feeling safe, that's why you are feeling these emotions. These are all related to your root chakra problem, because your root chakra is not balanced. So how you can balance your root chakra? There are some chakra meditations already in my channel. Just check chakra meditation in Sudeshna Mindset Coach. You will get that. Practice that. So the Beej mantra for root chakra is LAM, LAM. You can just sit in a quiet place, put your hand like this, take few deep breaths, calm your body, calm your mind, and just chant LAM for 3-4 times. And just say that my root chakra is balanced now. I'm feeling balanced. I'm feeling safe. I'm feeling that I'm grounded. And by practicing this for a long period, because you are not feeling this survival for a short period, for a long period, maybe you are having this imbalanced root chakra. So to balance it, you need to practice at least once 1 month. So practice it, these root chakra meditations. You can practice from my videos also, or by on your own you can practice. And so this is the way you can balance your root chakra. And the food you should take, so all those red color food or fruit you can take, like maybe in fruit you can take watermelon. In food, red color, whatever I am not getting, like maybe red capsicum, or maybe what are the red color food I am not getting. But the thing is, all the red color fruit, like maybe beetroot, maybe tomato, yes. So all those food will help you to release the toxins from your body, all the body parts associated with your root chakra, and it will actually detoxify all the organs associated with your root chakra. So physically and emotionally, then you can actually balance the root chakra. Similarly, if your creative power is getting blocked, you are feeling that you cannot create anything, you cannot think beyond what we call out of the box thinking, then your creative power is blocked. That means your sacral chakra is blocked. So the Beej mantra, similarly you can do, chant the Beej mantra for sacral chakra, which is VAM, VAM. And again, you can take orange food an orange fruit. Orange fruit is orange itself. Orange food in that orange vegetables is maybe carrot, maybe pumpkin, and identify the local orange food and fruit, vegetable, uh, which will be very good to detoxify your sacral chakra. Next come the solar plexus. If you have any digestion issues, any problem where you are not uh, feeling, I mean, you have all those, again, first thing is digestion issues and all those diseases related to digestion. And also for sacral chakra, if you have any disease related to reproductive system, then again the sacral chakra has to be balanced. For solar plexus, again, the digestive problems are associated with, if you're like all those blood pressure, not blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol, these are all related to your imbalanced solar plexus. So it's in yellow in color. So again, the Bij mantra for solar plexus is Ram, RAM. You can chant Ram 3-4 times and then say my solar plexus is balanced, and eat a lot of yellow color fruits and vegetables in your locality, whatever is available. Next comes the heart chakra. So if you are not feeling loved enough, you are feeling that you are no one loves you, no one cares for you, people whoever you love, they even don't, they betrayed you or something like that. If you feel that there is not enough love in your life, then your heart chakra is blocked. So, to open your heart chakra, again focus on your heart chakra in a relaxed body and mind, and say the Bij mantra, Yam, YAM, and also eat green fruits and vegetables. I think that's the maximum. Fruits and vegetables are green, so there is a huge chance if you eat raw and cooked green vegetable and fruit, then your heart chakra will be detoxified. So all those kale and then our what do you call it? All those green vegetable and fruits are part of it. Then next come your throat chakra. It's blue in color. So anything. So again, how do you understand that your throat chakra is blocked? Is if you are not getting enough growth in your career, because growth is attached to how you speak, how we have like how you can speak for you, how you can speak no when it is needed. Most of us are struggling here if you are not getting enough growth. So then your throat chakra is blocked. The Bij mantra for throat chakra is Hum, HAM. Chant it hum like this, and eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. I don't know, India blueberries are not available, but any blue color vegetable or fruit like maybe brinjal you can take, or just search that what are the blue or indigo color fruits and vegetables are there. Eat that to detoxify your throat chakra and associated all your body parts. Next come the third eye chakra. Again, if your intuition is not strong, then maybe your third eye chakra is blocked. So the chant is Om, 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 or AUM, Om also. So chant Om multiple times, and also try to eat and try to choose violet colored fruits and vegetables, because this is associated with the third eye chakra. And last is our crown chakra, which is outside the body. It is believed that, and if you are not connected with the source, if you can't believe that you are also a god, if you can't believe that we all are one, then your sacral chakra, then your crown chakra is definitely blocked. So again, chant Om multiple times in a relaxed body and mind, and you can eat any pink, purplish pink colored fruit and vegetable if it is available to to detoxify your whole body actually. So this is the way I think the chakra color and the fruits and vegetable are related. And in this video I also told that how to understand which chakra is your blocked. So there are many times you have seen that the lower three chakras are blocked for 70-80% of the people who are having chronic diseases, who are feeling a lot of stress, anxiety. So work on the lower three chakras first, because when these chakras are balanced, then only the energy can move towards heart chakra and towards the upper three chakras. So that was all. If you like this video and if you want to be part of my amazing mindset rewiring hub, where we actually work on achieving emotional freedom, and that's possible, so I welcome you to join the WhatsApp community so that we can build it together. Thank you so much for watching the video.